Sabrina Azwa binti Ahmad Rizwan. I am a student from UiTM Kuala Terengganu. So recently I have just finished my 6 months of internship at Visinergy. So in this video I will tell you about my journey throughout my internship here. During my internship here at VC has been so much fun. I really like the working environment here. The people here are really friendly and easygoing. I like how they would hype up the mood when the office is literally quiet. Like, we know when everyone is stressing or tired with their work. So that's when some of them would make jokes so that all of us could take a break for a while. Next, I will talk about my tasks during my internship here. I am here as their IT support. So there are several tasks that has been given to me, and among the tasks given are website development. I am assigned to develop a website for smart manufacturing. So basically, smart manufacturing is a process that employs machines with technologies. So the reason I have to develop the website is to promote this product of VC. Other than that, I has been assigned to develop a mobile applications for micro AE. This project is given to me 1 month before I end my internship, so I only focus on doing the front end, the user interface and all. I really enjoy doing this task because this requires coding, unlike the website development for smart manufacturing. The smart manufacturing, I use the WordPress and page builder called Divi. I learned a lot during my internship here, as every day is an opportunity for me to learn something new. I did a lot of research because I've come to realize that there's so much things that I don't know and aware of. I am really grateful to do my internship here. I hope VC and all of its subsidiaries will continue to strive for excellence along the way, and I am hoping for all the success in the world for this company. Thank you.